Hello, glow chasers and curious cruisers. It's Shelby here, your Chief Officer Safety, part-time bridge goblin, and full-time nerd for weird ocean stuff. And tonight, we're answering that question every night Watch Rookie eventually asks. Why is the sea glowing? Was it aliens? Was it radiation? Was it something you drank in the crew bar? Nope, it's something far cooler. Bioluminescence. Let's break it down. And if this lights up your curiosity, don't forget to check out our other videos like How Waves Work, Tides Explained, and What If the Titanic Sank Today, right here on the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. What is bioluminescence? Bioluminescence is nature's glow stick party. It's light produced by a chemical reaction inside a living organism. Imagine you're a teeny tiny plankton in the ocean. It's dark. You get bumped by a fish or a passing cruise ship, and you go, "Ah, light up and run!" The glow comes from a reaction between luciferin, the light-emitting compound, and luciferase, the enzyme. Yes, those are the real names. Science is dramatic. The coolest part? This glow doesn't come from heat. It's cold light, almost 100% efficient. Move over, LED. Lots of marine organisms glow, and not just for fun. You've got dinoflagellates, tiny plankton. The most common cause of that beautiful blue-green glow in the ship's wake. Basically, microscopic rave machines. Deep-sea fish. Some use light to attract prey. Ever seen an anglerfish? It's like a creepy sea grandma with a glowing knitting needle. Jellyfish. Some of these guys light up when touched. A built-in security system that screams, "Predator alert." Squid. Use it to confuse predators or communicate in dark waters, because texting isn't an option down there. Oh, and some sharks glow too. Not terrifying at all. What does this have to do with cruise ships? Great question. You see it when the ship's hull or wake stirs up plankton at night. The propellers agitate bioluminescent organisms and leave a glowing trail. Dolphins or flying fish pass through the glow and create underwater fireworks. Anchored in shallow, warm, tropical waters with the right combo of temperature, salinity, and chill plankton just vibing in the dark. And then the guests lean over the rail and say, "Is that natural? Or did you install underwater lighting?" No, Karen. We didn't put fairy lights in the ocean. If you want to catch a glowing sea show, here's what you need. Warm water. Tropical or subtropical zones are best. Low light pollution. So not near big port cities. Calm nights. Choppy seas means a less visible glow. Late at night, usually after 10 p.m. Late summer is often peak for blooms. What are the top spots to see it? San Juan, Puerto Rico, Mosquito Bay is famous for it. The Maldives, like swimming in a galaxy. Thailand, kayak trips through glowing mangroves. Gulf of California, underrated and magical. And yes, I've seen it from the bridge. Picture it. 3 a.m., quiet sea, stars above, and the wake of the ship glowing behind us like a trail of moonlight. Not gonna lie, even the crankiest officers get a bit emotional. Is it dangerous? Nope, the glow itself is harmless. But a massive bioluminescent bloom can indicate red tide, a harmful algal bloom that releases toxins. So if the water's glowing bright red and smells like rotting shellfish, maybe don't go for a swim, or lick anything. For cruise ships, we track that stuff, not just for safety, but to protect marine ecosystems too. Because yes, Chief Officer Safety also means ocean ecosystem safety. Besides being one of the coolest natural phenomena you'll ever see, bioluminescence tells us a lot about ocean health, food chain activity, environmental changes, and whether plankton are planning a disco or a protest. Plus, it reminds us that the sea is alive. It's glowing, shifting, reacting, always full of surprises. So next time you look out at the sea at night and see that eerie, beautiful glow, don't panic. You're not hallucinating. You're witnessing nature's underwater light show. And if you want more salty science, cruise ship facts, and emergency drills turned educational comedy, subscribe to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Watch our episodes on Waves and Swell. What rocks the ship, besides the band, Tides Explained. The moon's moody gravitational performance, Rogue Waves. Yes, they're real, and yes, they're terrifying. This is Shelby, your Chief Officer Safety, signing off with this reminder. Always keep your eyes on the sea. Even at night, it just might be glowing back.